Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting now. Install Google Drive and sign in with the Google account you plan to use. Once signed in, make sure you allow access to files and photos so Drive can read and upload content. That permission is essential. If you use two-step verification, follow the prompt, enter the code, or use your security key. After authentication, tap the plus button to create or upload. These steps let Drive appear inside the Files app and enable seamless uploads right away. Next, upload and organize. Tap the plus button, choose Upload or Scan for documents, and pick items from Photos or the Files app. Once uploaded, press the three dots next to a file to move, rename, or star it. Use folders to group related files. Use the search bar to find content by name or file type. Type PDF or IMG to narrow results. For frequent items, enable offline for quick access without Wi-Fi. This saves a local copy. Finish by sharing and syncing. Select a file, tap Share, and choose People or Get Link. Set Viewer versus Editor access as needed. Use the Drive settings to enable backup for photos or let Docs and Sheets autosave changes. This keeps versions synced across devices. If something goes wrong, first check your Google storage quota and iPhone network connection, then confirm Drive has files and background app refresh permissions. If uploads still fail, sign out and sign back in to refresh authentication.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.